Welcome back to Waorbit. In today's video, we'll cover one of the most important steps in WhatsApp marketing, creating a standard message template in Waorbit and submitting it to Meta for approval. Whether you want to send promotional messages, utility notifications, or authentication codes, you need a Meta-approved template. So let's create one from scratch. From your Waorbit workspace, go to the left sidebar, select Campaigns, and click on Templates. This is your central template library, where you can view your existing templates, check their status, such as in review or rejected, and sync the latest updates from Meta. To create a standard message template, click on New Template Message in the top right corner. You will be asked to select a message format. There are three types of message formats available: Standard, Carousel, and Catalog. Standard supports headers, body text, footers, media attachments, and interactive buttons. Carousel/Catalog, designed for multiple product cards and interactive product or catalog browsing. In today's tutorial, we'll create a standard message template. Select Standard to continue. First, enter a name for your template. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify and manage your template later. The template name should contain lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores only. For example, Waorbit_update. Next, select your template message category based on the purpose of your message. Marketing, utility authentication services if available in your account. Make sure you select the category that best matches your message content, as Meta reviews the template category during the approval process. Pricing may also vary depending on the message category. Now, select your target language, such as English, US. Next, select the header type. Depending on the available options, you can choose text or none. If you select text, enter a short and clear headline. For example, Waorbit Updates 2.0. Once the header is added, let's move to the message body. Enter the main message that you want to send to your customers. You can use formatting options such as bold and italic. You can also add dynamic variables to personalize your message based on customer information. For example, you can use variables for a customer's name, order number, or other relevant details. Make sure your message is clear, useful, and properly formatted. Also, avoid placing variables at the very end of the message or leaving them without sufficient context. If you want to send an image, video, PDF, or location along with your message, you can add it using the Attachments option. Select the required attachment type from the drop-down menu and upload a sample file. The sample file is used by Meta during the template review process. Next, you can add a short footer to your message. You can use the footer for a simple brand name, disclaimer, or additional information. For example, Waorbit, WhatsApp marketing and automation platform. Keep the footer short and relevant to your message. Now, let's add buttons to make the message more interactive and useful for your customers. Depending on the template and available options, you can choose between call to action and quick reply buttons. For example, call to action buttons can include options such as visit website, call phone copy code. The available button types may vary depending on the message category and template configuration. For this example, we'll select call to action. Select visit website, enter your button text such as visit website, and then enter the URL where you want to redirect your customers. Before submitting your template, check the live preview on the right side. This allows you to see how your message will appear to customers on WhatsApp. Review the header, body, variables, footer, media, and buttons to make sure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the template, click Submit for review in the top right corner. Your template will then be submitted to Meta for approval. The template status will change to Submitted for Meta review. The approval time can vary. In many cases, it may take only a few minutes, but Meta's review process can take longer depending on the template and review requirements. Waorbit automatically syncs the template status from Meta, so you can track the latest status directly from your template library. Once Meta approves your template, it will show a green Meta wobber, approved status in your template library. Your template is now ready to use in WhatsApp broadcasts, automated bot flows, campaigns, and other messaging activities. And that's it. Creating and submitting WhatsApp templates for meter approval is simple with Waorbit.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Waorbit automation tutorials. See you in the next video.
Waorbit is a free WhatsApp bulk marketing and automation tool. It includes a drag and drop chatbot builder and CRM features. Thanks for watching.